everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about Brussels sprouts, and I have a list of suggested food and flavoring combinations that are known to go well with Brussels sprouts. This list is kind of long, so I've broken it up into two parts. This is part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, check below. I've got a link to it in the description box. Combine Brussels sprouts with dried cranberries and walnuts. Brussels sprouts with garlic, lemon, and olive oil. Brussels sprouts with garlic, pine nuts, and shallots. Brussels sprouts with garlic, vinegar, and walnuts. Brussels sprouts with ginger and thyme. Brussels sprouts with hazelnuts and maple syrup. Brussels sprouts with lemon, mustard, parsley, and walnut oil. Brussels sprouts with mushrooms and pine nuts. Or Brussels sprouts with orange and sesame oil. I hope this gives you something new to try. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.